Okay, this video here today is to show you the boat down St. George's that's sinking. You know what I mean? They just came down here and cleaned out most of the old sunken boats. This one looks like it's a boat to be part of the Davy Jones locker crew. Looks like it's getting low, see? Alright, here we are down St. George's. Just onto my fishing boat. Put it over on the side. Getting ready to put last finishing touches to it, then I'll be good to go. Alright, there you have it, the fishing boat's getting done.